Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy XCover 5. Okay, it's really easy, but before we do it, we need to be aware that if you unlock the bootloader, the phone will perform the factory reset. It is necessary, and everything will be erased. So before the whole process, you can create a backup of your data. Now, to unlock the bootloader, we gotta open up the settings, make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi, then scroll all the way down, click on About Phone, scroll down again, go to Software Information, and now we gotta tap on the build number 7 times in a row until we see that developer mode has been enabled. Then go back to the main page of the settings and click on developer options. Scroll down, and here we have OEM unlocking feature. If it doesn't appear in your case, don't worry. Sometimes all you gotta do is to turn off developer options, then restart the phone, and then turn them on again, and it should appear. If it still doesn't appear, you can go to Software Update, and then click on Download and Install. Thanks to that, you'll connect to the Samsung server. If an update appears, you can manually pause it, and then go back to developer options, and OEM unlocking feature should enable. Now we gotta toggle it on, click on Enable, and now we gotta power off the device, hold the power key, select power off. Okay, now we need to connect our phone to our computer using a USB-C cable. Of course, your computer needs to be turned on also. And now we gotta hold both volume keys at the same time. And while we are holding them, we gotta plug the cable to our phone. So volume up and volume down. Connect the cable, but don't release volume keys. Keep holding them until you see this many. And now we need to hold volume up. Okay, now it's asking us, do we want to unlock the bootloader? We want, so we gotta click on volume up, and now the phone will perform the factory reset. Click on volume up to confirm. Okay. We can now unplug the cable. Now we'll go through the setup process, and we'll verify everything in developer options once again. Now we need to wait until our phone turns on. Okay, our phone has turned on. Now we gotta click the start button, select your language. I'll stick to English, of course. Click on next. Select that you agree, click on next. For now, let's skip the Wi-Fi, so thanks to that, the setup process will be much faster. I don't want to copy any of my data. Click on next. Scroll down and accept. I'll skip the screen lock. Okay, same thing with the Samsung account. Click on finish. Okay, now let's connect to the Wi-Fi. But first everything needs to load. Open up the settings, then connections, Wi-Fi, pick available network, and type the password. Okay. Now go back. Once again, go to About Phone. Scroll down, software information, tap the build number 7 times in a row real quick until developer mode is enabled. Go back to the main page of the settings, developer options, and it needs to... Oh, actually, the OEM unlocking feature didn't appear, just like I was talking in the beginning of the video. So let's click on Software and Update, download and install. We'll connect to the server. I'll pause the update, and as we go back, it should appear now. It didn't, so let's turn off developer options. Let's go back to About Phone. Let's do it again. Okay, I think that I might have to reboot the device, but let me tell you what should happen. In here we should see OEM unlocking feature, that it's turned on, but it's impossible to turn it off manually. Like, you'll see the feature, but it will look like it's unavailable, something like that. But we could see during the reboot that we had a huge notification that our bootloader is unlocked, and it means that everything worked. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.